band here. Once it is locked here, see, you have tried as much as possible to lay it on the rack. Oh, yeah.
So is it fitting tightly as it should, or you're going to adjust some part of the door?
I see that it's loose.
Yeah. And what holds it? Like, you see, like up there, the fitting isn't as loose as at the bottom there.
This.
Oh, you still have that. So where is that one going to go to? Oh, so you haven't done with it yet.
Not it.
You need to cut up the whatever.
The task ahead is
the latching.
This one is a bit easier.
I know.
This was a bit easier. Now we're heading for the most thickest part.
Okay.
Are you going to take it down? This door. You're taking it down to fix this, or you're fixing it where it is?
No, you have to fit it. Like now, you see, we are done with the hinges.
Yes.
Yeah?
Now you remove it again.
Yeah, at the point of cutting. That's why now I had to take this one to give me the measurement. So the distance from here, what I'm supposed to work with.
Right.
What I'm supposed to work with. Then and again, now I go ahead and cut this hole so as it fits.
Oh my God!
And it must fit exactly.
Fit. And it has go hand in hand with the latch inside.
It's something. It requires a lot of precision. Yeah. But what you cut with?
Grinder. Then after all this, you dismantle it, you take it for painting.
But even with the grinder, you'll be very careful that the whole thing is really very precise.
One slight mistake,
the door is done.
Can't use it. But now, getting these hinges. You see, I didn't bought the normal door just in case you don't land on this one.
These are not things you just get any other place.
Yes.
Either must be from these guys who provide the whatever, in which case you have to import in most cases because nobody really.
Luckily, for this one, I got a new one.
Really? Interesting.
With the key.
Is that from industrial area?
You know, it's a matter of scouting. By the time the machine is through, I would have done it all. Because now, once I'm through with the doors, they are done painting. Is now this fixed. Remove this, put electric. So many things. So by the time it lands to the customer, usual.
Yeah, that's good. It's part of the work, but as long as the customer is ready to.
So you're expecting, worst case scenario is that you bought it second hand. You did it to your staff. Then you sold it. Now it's coming back with issues. You try and zero it.
Where the issue? Because some of these machines, they don't show up even at the point of buying.
Yes. Some of these machines, if you are not keen, I'll have sold this client the machine.
Yes.
But before it got to this client, it went through you.
Another person.
You had your cut. But now when the client is coming back, comes back straight
to you. So there's a lot of wastages over there.
The problem just comes to you.
So he knows he collected the machine from me. So
he doesn't know
he doesn't know these other characters had some cut.
Even characters that he sent.
Yes.
He doesn't know to know them. That's why sometimes you want to sell it and you can tell the guy who.
Like now, so many of the clients I have for the generator, they'll say, if a generator is done by so and so, rarely it will come back.
Ah, that is nice. It's good. It's a good report.
Rarely it will come back.
Yeah.
Rarely it will come back.
Ah,
Yeah. You
it's
have
a
done
good
the
report.
review of the wiring.
Uh,
You have ascertained that the oil signals are working properly.
yes.
The temperature signals are working properly. The alternator.
Yes.
Now, in the alternator, if it doesn't charge, meaning it means the fan belt is broken.
Yes.
So what will happen? It will start boiling.
Overheating. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah.
So
Because
it's
there's
a
no
sequence of
cooling.
events.
Ah.
So all those signals you must ascertain that they are working. So
Pro-
when you hand over the client,
yes.
you know if it helps with anything.
The good thing is that it comes with a computerized system that can be able to check some of those.
Now, remember, this machine was not from the shop.
Oh.
It had gone to him, then him. By the time it gets to you, the buyer,
Yes.
to come and rehabilitate it,
Yes.
as it's supposed to. Now, if you are not keen to monitor all these issues,
Yes. Hey.
be prepared.
And
for
very
a
few
return.
people keep logs of any errors or that the machine has. You know, essentially, somebody's supposed to keep a log of any happening that of the whatever, so that by the time even they come to a point of disposal, they know what areas require a retouch. But most people is like they handle the issue, they know that this is the issue, then they sort that out. But you see, by the time you see a particular problem, there are many other triggers that it would have given that were not visible, and some of the issues might have maybe overrun the time they needed to be attended to. So when you come to attend, you are attending a simple thing, but then you realize the thing is deep. The issues are deep.
I've seen issues. I've seen issues, my friend.
Eh?
I've seen issues.
What? Wow.
I'll tell you, I might be expensive, but I'm certain of what I'm doing.
I think that's the best thing.
I'm certain of what I'm doing.
That's the best thing. I mean, some of the installations I install, I tell somebody, okay, I don't care what you are quoted for, but this is mine, and you either trust me or you go to that person. But it's a very high chance you might come back to me.
Exactly.
And most people come back. They go like,
not
you
most.
told me.
Wherever I've quoted,
yes.
I never got the job.
Yes. Yeah? Yes.
I definitely got called in. Now we have an issue here.
Yes.
Could you check for us what is the issue?
Yes.
So
I mean, I don't follow somebody. If you don't,
I never give you the business.
Yes.
This guy was more enticing.
Yes. And you know, most people go for the prices. They go there for the pricing.
This guy was more enticing.
Yes.
So when he fell to this guy.
Yes.
Now, I remember there is even an issue here we are here to sort out. Because I told him now, I'm sorry to tell you, everything here is...
The hospital?
No, there's a borehole somewhere around Kamakis.
Oh, the other side.
I gave a quote.
Yes.
Mine was higher by about 200,000.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Then, you see now the difference is about 200,000. Told him, that's the best I can do. Me, us having a relation for a while, another issue. Yeah? Yes. I'm sorry, this is the lowest I can. If I go below this, I'll be out of business. Yeah? Yes. We went ahead and gave the job. So, came back. Went and bought those stuff from him. The panels were wrong.
He bought himself?
Yes. Everything was wrong.
Yes. Yeah?
So, by the time he's coming back to me to tell me now, here there is an issue, the panels percentage, the kind of arm. Then I gave him another quote. Huh? Now, bearing in mind what he has on the ground, he went straight to Davis, bought everything, as per quoted. And this time he even never gave it. So now he's following one of my guys
to come and do it for the fixing.
I don't know. This is the second time I'm going behind this guy's back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you went through one of your guys to reach you.
I went and told him now, you know, my friend, like it or not, go east or west. I'm still the person who's going to sort all this. You know, by then, how much he had blown? 600,000.
What?
He had blown 600,000.
And you had quoted 200,000.
And still, mine was slightly higher by 200,000. Now he has gone. You see, now he was 200,000 below my quote.
Yes.
Now the next time, after doing his stuff, buying the issues,
yes,
he went above me by 400,000.
Of course.
And still, now when I went back to the drawing board, I told him now, this you bought the wrong thing. This you bought the wrong thing. If at least you would have given me even a chance, I give you second hand.
It would even have been a better deal.